Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we're diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.41. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock faced a decline of -10.21%. This equates to an average loss of -0.51% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further downward movement. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 5.47% over the next 3 months, with expected returns ranging between -18.93% and 14.71%. In a longer-term view, our 12-month analysis projects a change of -15.21%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -28.17% and 57.89% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $2.46 and $5.42. Our latest daily update for NIO highlights a positive day on Monday for the company. The NIO stock price rose by approximately 0.587% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 23rd of June, 2025. This increase brought the price from $3.41 to $3.43. During the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.29%, with a low of $3.34 and a high of $3.45. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 instances, resulting in an overall decrease of 5.51% for that period. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the rising price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 8 million more shares exchanged compared to the previous day. In total, 28 million shares changed hands, amounting to approximately $95.18 million. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price sits at 55.51%, or $4.28 below the 52-week high, and 94.88%, or $63.56, below the all-time high recorded on January 11, 2021, when the price peaked at $66.99. Recent attention on NIO, reflected in heightened investor searches, indicates a growing interest in the stock amidst a challenging market landscape. As of June 23, 2025, NIO's share price has faced a decline of nearly 20% this year, underperforming rivals in the Chinese electric vehicle sector. This drop occurs against a backdrop of a new pricing war initiated by BYD, which could pressure margins. However, NIO has reported a rise in vehicle margins from 9.2% to 10.2% on a year-over-year basis, signaling potential operational improvements. Long-term projections remain cautiously optimistic, with analysts forecasting a year-on-year growth in deliveries of 25% to 30% for the second quarter of 2025. This could temper investor concerns and potentially stabilize the stock price if the company successfully navigates competitive challenges. Nevertheless, the immediate impact of pricing pressures could weigh on NIO's performance, making it essential for the company to enhance its cost efficiency and maintain product appeal. Overall, while short-term volatility poses risks, NIO's delivery growth and margin improvements may help regain investor confidence in the long run. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, June 17, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned NIO a neutral grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, April 28, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade accompanied by a hold action. On Thursday, November 21st, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, October 28th, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie also assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have rated the stock with a strong sell sentiment. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, the stock presents mixed signals. NIO stock exhibits sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $3.48 and $3.77. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Friday, June 20th, 2025. And thus far, the stock has increased by 0.587%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, a buy signal is also present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is generally regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that might catch your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell opportunity 8 days ago. The long-term moving average pointed to a sell signal 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages generated a buy signal 18 days ago. Reviewing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average displayed a sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 40 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 56 days ago. If you're interested in discovering more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.36. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock generally experiences average daily movements, and with a solid trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $0.11 between its high and low, which constitutes a change of 3.29%. Throughout the last week, the stock has shown daily average volatility of 2.32%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the K/E ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even established companies can encounter downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may raise concerns about insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of the year 2025 is anticipated on the 4th of September, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates project a loss of 470 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.52. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be exceeded before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO faces its first support level at $3.36. If this support level holds firm, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider purchase of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO exhibits several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 24th of June, we anticipate NIO will open lower by approximately 2.33 cents, commencing at $3.41. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.